In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use WhatsApp Web on Chrome. So this is super easy, but yeah, I'm just going to show you guys it right now. So what you want to do is go to Google Chrome, of course, then search for WhatsApp Web, and this is the first page that will come up. And you just want to click on that. Once you've done that, it says use WhatsApp on your computer, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to the settings, select WhatsApp Web. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys it right now how that will look like on your phone. And so on Android it will look a little bit different, but basically you want to go to the settings, then hit WhatsApp Web / desktop, and you want to click scan QR code, hit OK, and now you can scan the QR code. Once you've scanned that, you will end up on the actual WhatsApp Web page, and on the left you just have your contacts and your normal chats you have just like you have on your phone, and it's basically the exact same. So I hope this really quick video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.